What advice would you give to an AI engineer? How she can differentiate or distinguish herself from others, especially at a time when we see that everybody can use ChatGPT and other models, large language models, through these interfaces, through the different companies providing those capabilities that you can use tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, other large language models provided by big players like Facebook or Meta these days. Llama 3, they just released this new model. So, and I thought this is a very interesting question. So I, of course, answered that question, and in this video I wanted to share with you what did I say in response to that question. Here is my advice for an AI engineer to stand out in a world with accessible large language models. Master prompt engineering. Large language models are powerful tools, but their outputs heavily depends on prompts, the instruction that you give to them. Hone your skills in crafting clear, concise, and specific prompts that unlock the true potential of large language models for your desired task, for your desired activity. The second thing is specialize in fine-tuning. While pre-trained large language models are impressive, their true power lies in fine-tuning for specific domain-related tasks. Become an expert in tailoring large language models to niche industries or applications, maximizing their effectiveness in solving unique problems. So this will give you a heads up compared to other people who are just calling or using those large language models, right? Through prompts, through instructions. So you could fine-tune them for a specific task, for a domain-related task, and you will get an edge. Another point is bridge the gap between large language models and business needs. Many companies struggle to translate business needs into actionable large language model prompts. Develop the ability to bridge this gap, understanding what the large language models are capable of and what the business needs or wants them to do for them. Understanding both the technical aspects of large language models and the specific needs of the business, and bridging this gap will give you a differentiated position. Apart from this, I would say focus on beyond the model or beyond the large language model expertise, for example, data expertise. Large language models, in fact, are data-driven beasts. Deepen your knowledge of data collection, cleaning, and preparation. Being able to create or curate high-quality data for large language training is crucial for optimal performance. Ethical considerations. Large language model can raise ethical concerns around bias and fairness, hate, profanity, abuse. Sharpen your understanding of these issues and develop solutions to mitigate them. Next one up is human-AI collaboration. The future lies in humans and AI working together. Focus on building robust pipelines that seamlessly integrate large language models outputs with human expertise for superior results. And this is a topic very close to my heart because I created a newsletter a couple of years ago, and I even have delivered a talk on this topics like more or less 5-6 years ago about human and AI collaboration. The newsletter, I call it Augmented Intelligence newsletter, Augmented Intelligence. So I believe that human and AI are strong together. So we can rely on both of their powers and have a very interesting world and tackle our challenges of the world. Next one is Embrace continuous learning. Stay at the forefront of research. Read papers, read latest research papers, industry reports. The field of AI is rapidly evolving. Actively engage with research papers and industry trends to stay ahead of the curve. Look what's coming. What are the possible areas of research, what are the futuristic areas in which AI field is growing and developing. So there will be, for example, now we are talking about fine-tuning, but there will be other opportunities out there, and there are in fact, where you could sharpen your saw and develop your skills, develop versatility. Don't limit yourself to just large language models or generative AI. Explore and master complementary AI techniques like computer vision, robotics, and reinforcement learning. The things which are not generative AI, they are also important. They all need to work together. So look at the interplay of large language models and small language models. So how would you put them together? How would you make them work together? So this is also important. The compatibility of large language models, that's also an interesting aspect to look at it. And of course, from the technology architecture point of view, infrastructure point of view, how technology is developing, looking at the GPUs and those things, the infrastructure that this technology would run on, that's very important. And of course, I will keep posting more videos on this topic, but I wanted to just give you a very high level, a few ideas just to start with. And another aspect is like looking at how different technologies would come together. For example, AI, metaverse, quantum computing, blockchain, Internet of Things. What if you put them together? Another aspect is like now we are focused only on point solution, right? Develop this use case, develop this use case, but we don't have system, or what I also call enterprise level solutions, right? So for example, when you have different solutions, different AI implementations working together across the enterprise, that would be an interesting aspect to look at. By combining expertise in LLM, in manipulation, strong fundamental skills in AI, and a focus on ethical considerations and human AI collaboration, you can establish yourself as a valuable asset in the ever-changing AI landscape. And I mentioned it earlier, but I want to repeat, focus on continuous learning, because this field, and in fact these days every field is growing. There are new things, new developments, new trends, new learnings. So focus on continuous learning so that you can find out about the new trends, new areas that you need to work on, and then you could develop your skills in that area, expertise, and then do the projects, do the proof of concept, so that you can stay ahead of the competition. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions on this topic or any comments that you want to share. I would love to hear your thoughts, to see your thoughts, and then if there is a need to be addressed, I would definitely like to address that in the follow-up videos. Bye for now.